Good day, sir. This is my flow chart about driving in Sito. So, training program flow. Um, let's take a look at the flow of the training program from the time a student enters the program up to their exit. This process ensures that very learning develops the required competencies through guided instruction, practice, and evaluation. So the the first step is student enters program. The process begins when a student enters program. At this stage, a student undergo an orientation where they learn about the role of the trainee and trainer and the general program learning is administered and an organized learning strategy is established to guide their training journey. So the second step is students select competency and receive instruction. So next students select their desired competency and start receiving instruction. They sign a learning contract, are given learning materials, and are introduced to competence-based learning materials or CBLM. An achievement progress report is also introduced so student can monitor their learning progress through the course. And um, the step 3 naman po is training and practical activities. So after orientation and instruction, student proceed to training and practical activities. Here they review training materials, watch instructional videos, and use driving manuals, job aids. So they observe vehicle operation, demonstrations, and practice driving in simulated or controlled environments. Once um, once once ready, practice driving on public road under supervision to gain real world experience. So after that, step 4, performance evaluation. Following practical, student move on to performance evaluation. There, they attempt various driving tasks. Will the instruction observe um, and assess their performance? Students are um, also encouraged to rate their own performance, promoting self-assessment and reflection. So, finally, the instruction provides a performance rating based on observed skill and behavior. So, after that, the step 5 naman po is evaluation and check, competency check. Um, After performance evaluation, students undergo an evaluation and competency check. This step ensures that each student has met the required standard and demonstrated competency in all areas of training. So, after all of this, going to exit program na. One student success pass the evaluation, they exit the program, fully trained, assessed, and ready to apply their newly acquired skill. So, in a summary dito po is this process from entry to exit ensure a structured competency-based approach to learning. It support both the trainee and trainer in the achieving meaningful progress and measurable outcome. So, that's all po. Thank you.